So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Print Spooler. Double click on it. You're going to change your startup type to disabled and then click on stop, which will now stop the service, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Windows. Scroll down. And then click on System 32. Scroll down again till we find Spool. We're going to scroll down till we find Spool. Here it is. Click on this. And then click on the printers folder. Continue. And now you want to delete everything in this folder if there's anything in here. So if you have anything here, just delete this, highlight it, and then delete. And then when you delete everything in this folder, we're going to come back into services. You're going to find Print Spooler. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic. Click on OK. Double click on it again. And then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on Print Spooler and then click on restart. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find printer. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on yes to now run the diagnostics. And then once this comes up, you actually want to scroll down and you want to skip past this. We're going to scroll down. Now under did it solve your problem, you're going to click on no. Now it's going to start running these diagnostics right here. Wait for this to load. And now this should be completed. Now under here, it's going to be saying, which printer would you like to troubleshoot? Your printer should now appear right here. You want to click on your printer and then follow through all the steps that come up. And then once you complete all these steps, you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.